Now, for the student, since I worked out these parts, what my next step would be for Aki, and probably, you know, Aki's a great player. All I have to do is really provide him a recording. He's modest. All I have to do is provide him with a recording, and he can copy it by ear. The nice thing is that some of the parts are, some of the harmony parts are written out, so you know there's going to be some
clarity.
Some clarity. There's going to be some tricky bits in there, bending combinations. If I was to provide a recording that had both my part and his part at the same time, it could be difficult to tell actually what is, you know, what is Aki's part. So one of the best things that I can do is provide a recording of me playing my part only with the jam track, so Aki can actually practice to it, and a version of me playing the backing track. And again, it could be a generic backing track like we're using right now, where I play his part, and then one where it brings it together. So what I'll do right now is I'm going to go ahead and do that right here as we're waiting. Arrangements while you wait. And I'm going to go ahead and play, I think I'll play, what should I play? I guess I'll play my part to start with. So I have a digital recorder over here. I'm going to go ahead and power it on. And I'm going to play to the jam track. And I'm just going to start when it goes into the harmony section. So I'm going to play my part. And this is the first point at which the harmonies come in. 2, 3, 4, and you would go to the solo. All right, so that was track 1. I'm now going to move to the part that you're going to play. So this is Aki's part, and then what you'll hear later when I play over this will be my harmony. Okay, here's Aki. That's that part. Now let's move to what'll happen right after that break. Bop, ba-da, ba-da, bop, bop. Then you're going to hear my parts. All right, so this is my parts. And what'll happen is this will be your, the space there will be you answering. On the correct side of the harmonica. I've been caught. I'll stop that. And now for this process, I'm going to go ahead and download this to my computer. Okay, this is your part. Be me soloing. All right, next piece.
All right, so that was track 1.
Now this is you, but I'm going to play my harmony just so you can hear what the harmony sounds like.
So this is Aki's part, and then what you'll hear later when I play over this will be my harmony. Okay, here's Aki.
Yeah, etc.
That's cool.
We'll do some breaks right there. Anyways, that's it. What do you think?
I love it.
Cool.
And now I gotta learn how to play it.
Now you got to learn how to play it. Yeah.